Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video, we are doing a special request here for Mana. So Mana right now is trading at 0.6144, so roughly around 61 cents. Taking a look overall on the monthly time frame, let me know what you guys think about this theory here. But essentially what I'm seeing is a possible double bottom chart pattern. And essentially where we observe this is a bot at the very bottom of a downtrend, and it is treated as a reversal chart pattern. So we can see that the price itself coming down to an area of support around 21% and then hitting a max resistance level around the 83 cents. Now we've seen a attempt and a rejection from this line on March 1st and then coming down and retesting that area of support here on August 1st. And currently in this month, we are retesting this area of resistance once again. And typically when it comes to this double bottom chart pattern, essentially it is a bullish reversal pattern from this current downtrend. And we are, ultimately with the chart pattern, it's supposed to break above the resistance of 82 cents and then retest the 82 cents as an area of support. So let me know what you guys think down below. If you guys are seeing this, if this is going to play out, then essentially Mana can reach up to $1.12, which is the 141% of our Fibonacci of an extension of more than 5%. But essentially what I am seeing here is a possible rejection line, especially when we take a look at this candlestick here. We are seeing this wick at the very top that's twice the size of the body. So we do see, the aggression of the bulls trying to push the price as high as this resistance and ultimately break it. But we do see a lot of dominance when it comes to the bears pushing the price lower. The next confirmation would be next month to see if the price does close below the body of this candlestick, because if it does close below the body itself, then it is going to be confirmation of this rejection of the initial resistance here, which is at the 82 cents. Going into the weekly time frame here, I do want to show you quickly a possible crossover, which is a golden cross. It is known when a moving average, a smaller moving average, in this case I have a 20 moving average, crosses above a larger moving average, in my case, which is a 50 moving average. This crossover, known as a golden cross, typically will forecast a bullish sentiment, a bullish trend in a long term. In this case, we have is a weekly time frame. What we are observing from our candlestick week after week is the price is moving sideways, known as a consolidation phase. So this consolidation phase is known as either a temporary pause in this current uptrend, or it could be a total reversal itself. So we can see that the reversal broke from breaking out of an area of resistance at 36 cents, roughly around November 18th. And now we're seeing the price coming up to an area of resistance at 78 cents, and then coming down as low as the 53 cents as an area of support. So initially what we are looking for is some areas or some candlesticks that will show us some either breakout on an uptrend or that breakdown in that downtrend. Now, a few of our indicators here does show that the price is going to come down to an area of support. The indicators that I like using is the RSI and the MACD indicator. The RSI here we see is roughly around 62%. So it is the aftermath of reaching an overbought signal back on December 2nd, where that retest of that area of resistance. My cat's wanting to jump up. Stop it. So the RSI going at 62% isn't considered as overbought or oversold. So we may see some price coming down along with the RSI before we see any signals for the price to continue to either retest areas of resistance or coming down to an area of support. Another indicator that I love using is the MACD indicator that measures momentum. Depending on how big these bars get and the darker the color is stronger the momentum itself. So one of the things that I do like in terms of Mana in the weekly time frame is we do see the MACD line is above our zero line. So initially on the long term, we are going to see that bullish sentiment. However, we do see the momentum is slowing down with these bars getting smaller and lighter in color. So that is going to play and retest that area of support roughly around the 50% of our Fibonacci level at 53 cents. So the price itself may come down and retest retest this area of support and see if the support itself is able to hold. If not, then price may come down to the next area of support here at 41 cents. Now, taking a look on our daily time frame here, we are retesting an area of support roughly from this ascending trend line itself. Now we can see a lot of high wick candles, a lot of tug and war in terms of the bulls and the bears, and we can definitely take a look at how small these bodies are getting as well. So we're seeing a lot of indecision in the marketplace, really no aggression itself in terms of the bulls or the bears, and again the volume is getting smaller as well. So we are amping up for a breakout, either an uptrend or a downtrend. Again, with our indicators, we do see the MACD indicator getting darker in color. The only warning sign that I would immediately see is if the MACD line crosses below our zero line. That is going to trigger immediate bearish sentiment or a bearish trend, and most likely will be breaking this trend line itself, coming down to the area of support of that 53 cents here. Now, again, immediate short term for 4 hours, we are seeing some pullback to retest an area of resistance, and the resistance here that we are seeing is our 20 moving average. We see a rejection line here, we see a rejection line here, and possible retest where we're currently at in this 4 hours. If the price is unable to hold above the 20 moving average and close above it, price is going to get rejected down to an area of support and retest the last couple of 4-hour time frame candlesticks around the 58 cents. This is going to act as an immediate support here. However, we are seeing a lot of higher low candles, so essentially where these are dipping lower than the previous high, and a lot of lower lows going into this channel itself until we're able to see either a break from our area of support or a break from our area of resistance. And again, that immediate resistance is going to be a test on our 20 moving average. So essentially in the 4-hour time frame, if the price is able to close above the 20 moving average, the next area price of a resistance area is going to be around 64 cents. That's looking at a bullish sentiment, a bullish market. However, if we do break and fail to break above that 20 moving average, then the price itself is going to come down to the immediate support at 56 cents, or again, our next area of next secondary area of support, we are tracing back from November 26 at 56 cents. So that's my video here for Mana. Thank you guys so much for the request. Let me know what you guys think down below, like and subscribe, but I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.